All right, what's up everyone? To another video, Full Speed Unpause, and today we're at the Crf110 doing some simple upgrades. We got the old case saver right here, and we're gonna get it installed. I'm gonna show you why. It's kind of nice upgrading this stuff. We do it to our KLX110. Today we're doing it to our boys Crf110. Let's get at it. All right, guys, so case saver, sprocket guard, whatever you want to call this thing. Comes right here, faster minis, gives you a couple new bolts. But what's nice is that you take off these stock covers. Our KLX110 was the same way. What happens is mud gets gunked up in here, and then you can't really clean it out really good, and then it's just stuck in there until you finally take this case out, which at the whole time is wearing your chain, which apparently we need to tighten this chain. She's a little sloppy. So anyways, simple guys. Let's get these couple bolts off right here. They look like some 8mm. Let's get it done. Sweet. Now, I think we're gonna have to do another upgrade when we're in here. All right, guys, we had to take a quick pause in the video because we realized where we're at. We had bought a bump start for this thing, so now we could start it in gear. And since we're already here with the sprocket guard off, it's like, let's get this installed before we even finish what we're doing here. So that's on there. That works great. We got a sprocket guard, some fresh bolts. He's gonna install it right now, get that hooked up. Are they the same length bolts?
Yeah.
Yeah?
For sure.
Oh yeah, same size. And you see, he's already got fresh gas cap on this thing. And he's got the he's got the faster minis dipstick with some crank cover case bolts there. So he's gonna be all blinged up. This bike is coming together really good. Very much. This thing's pretty dialed. Don't force it. If it's tight coming, then you need to readjust. No? It's getting weirdly tight?
No, it's an odd angle.
Oh yeah, that blue with the red. All right, guys, just like that, simple install. But now look at, you can be able to clean this, and if mud, rocks, anything like that will work its way out of there. You're not gonna get where it keeps building up and then it's wearing on your brand new chain. But that's it for today's video, guys. Simple install like the other ones. Make sure you follow. We got some Crf110 content along with some KLX1 content coming for you guys. So I appreciate you watching. You guys know the deal. Until next time, we'll see you later.